create cool 3D websites like this, guys, then you have to check out my course, Three.js Essentials, a beginner's guide. Please, if look at what you will be able to create, like this cool whale. It is the coolest whale that you will ever see. It's a hippo. I know it's a hippo. It's a joke. It's a meme from before. Now let's start the next challenge, guys. Shout out to Junie, man. These guys are actually showing us how this should be done. So go to my Patreon. If you guys want to like take this course, go to my Patreon, become a member, and you will get this course, guys. It is absolutely essential for you to actually understand what Three.js is, how you can create your own 3D website. You can even show it to your boss, and you may even get a job. Guys, who has a portfolio? Who has a Three.js 3D portfolio website? Nobody does. Everybody has those standard, freaking boring 2D websites. So what am I even teaching here? The ultimate Three.js beginner's guide. Guys, I am back. I am literally That's back. Me. If you've been wondering and following, you know how passionate. Hey yo, before we even get to that, what is our take of today? That is comment, part of the call, you have to comment that, man. And become a patron right now, or I will find you. The announcement is basically the Patreon. Comment part of the cult if you're actually part of this cool club. We're actually cool. And 3D graphics. So today I have something very special. That's me talking. And this is it. This is literally it, guys. This is it. This is the You guys have to go to my Patreon, guys. If you want to learn how to create 3D websites, this will be absolutely good for you. You can definitely purchase the second part. What am I even? So something that we actually go through is that it's very beginner friendly. It's very short, so you can actually, guys, you guys can. What is it called? It will be very good for somebody with no prior experience in 3D graphics or programming, and it's an easy to follow learning curve. Basically the book itself. The comprehensive content, I've made it so everybody can understand it. You basically have different paths that goes over different concepts and ideas in Three.js. And if you've ever created games, it's basically like that, but you basically take control and ownership of everything. If you guys have played around with Unity, you may even know that. So what else? I don't think there's anything else. Guys, Three.js Essentials, a beginner's guide. This is part 1. Why? Because I'm actually creating 3 parts before this. You have to know a little bit of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I know I did say that you don't need any prior experience, but it will be good for you. It will actually help you a lot. So even though this is a beginner-friendly guide, this will even be good for you. And part 2 is coming out. Anybody who purchases part 1, I will give you part 2 to the half price. Or even just for free. It depends on what I feel like that day. Actually not. We will see, But go to my Patreon and become a member, and we can figure something out. Have a nice day.